abaonya aiga ntubwate showroom asura chabwirigiria amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yetu nigo enkare iyurengia na wigo ekogokia liso yao chingagi ogoswasani kurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate timu tembo abo babakolemirano ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho tebelie kende gensi uragania bagotebelie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuari ye chikala ao na wigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao na mono babwate nomo corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwate boomerang ayuari aye chigech emengetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibiri na isaro nesato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani gabwate chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwa mabati liga niko bokolengana amo nukonya we customer babwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakiranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyara kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sirika ayo chani warrant na wigo ayo urakwaburu kasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru complex iliyo chuligo busongo iyo rangene duka Safaricom wigo tukotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgotera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi mbona mbwata hapa, nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kila slice. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Ni mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Ya weheri tukeriga aria Jumatano chitarikinye chumutinyi ogatano na rimo kegima na gukwanire mwancho murigereria andonsi asore chingake chiga chabono nekero na kwariganire ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso erinde nyare ukomanya ayabere kago korekana ase Chinsemo okoro ase omuno wembe manyererio nigo tokubwaterana nere Wilson Makori erio tunyare ukomanya ayagenderete ase Chinsemo nanche ngorokwa Matildah Obaigwa ngochaka kro ase county ya Nyamira ekiro bono ekigambero ya Bomet bono kyanyarire kubwatuka ogochika buna oyo konyora ore omunoge bwe county assembly gose bwe bunge ye county yo ya Nyamira omoske Enoko Okero nigo bono anyarete kurusigwa abisi gose gutugutwa kro ase abisi ase okubwatia richiko okupago kwana kro ase ikigambero kyo nigo yare koraria buna bono ore ose oyo nande oringi kora egeikaro orala uranyara kura ebikaro byebunge ase county eyo omoske Thaddeus Nyabaro bono nerura chikoba omospika we county assembly ya Nyamira mwancho murigereria oroboti oro no chikoronyora ase inchira eyo boikirano ase Chinsa chiko gose ase Chinsa chia rero omarogoba higo omospika Thaddeus Nyabaro nerebono ore omospika vene ase county assembly ya Nyamira na gutigana nayo nigongo kwareta wika ase county ya Kisii ekirobono abakagirwa babiri banyarete kubekwa biara litukuregoro magega yogotara gose goswa ase enyagitari ya bosongo nabo igo korigia komoita omugakoyomo we miaka 53 na oyu konyora ore umoroire ase gose uyorenge umoroire ase enyagitari eyo kurende nigo bono baligetie chinjera chokwana na ariaki gochi ase umoroki woyomo oyuro moteresa ase enyagitari eyo erinde anyare gwikirania okogania kwabo eyo yeirerete umoroki woyo akanyara kubateba gose kubasoera ase abateneneri benyagitari eyo nabo igo bakanyara kubekwa biara no koirwa ase abanyanyimbo gose kubekwa biara nabo igo koikiwa ase gitasini kya abanyanyimbo ime ya nyanchwa
omanene tapia sai ora itukeriga diari gokoba kana kotiga kwandua nereire ora babisabane bachamaiga sinyakitanja basongo sitandakiane kugena mayitene mubata lete bachamambia atagala koborio nyoba koboria korende datuito memene ya kolekana abasikari baito aba administration yose abosongo yatekoba abantu babuwa tubatuka omane tuwanirere abanga buna aba atiyasa moko mane sasa moko serikali yokedira abantu okola sonsi waseme cheditari kenu yeyo mwana wa Yesu Kristo mwali to amen.
Wancho bigiria na koro ase county ya Nairobi nigobono murai wense omoske William Ruto anyara kubarigania abambasada akorwa Chinsa Isano nemo korwa ase ense engima abo bono barachia gokora emirimo aiga asense ya Kenya bakuwakilisha Chinsa chabo egati yabo korwa ase ense ya Sierra Leone eri ya South Sudan eri ya Singapore Bangladesh na boigo echinde abo bono anyara kubarigania asinchira ya bene kigimana kubaboria banyare kubwaterana na barai au me yense ya Kenya gosekora ase serikali nene elio kogendereria au bwamate gose gotinya obwamate aigati yense ya Kenya na boigo Chinsa chiria bakorwa.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your government within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible within the law the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations.
Best wishes from His Excellency Paul Kagame, the President of the Republic of Rwanda, and the people of Rwanda, to Your Excellency, your government, and the people of Kenya.
Singapore and Kenya have enjoyed decades of friendship. We share a commitment to economic development and upholding the rule-based international order. Allow me to note some recent developments in bilateral cooperations.
And working together in collaboration to ensure that the interests of our two countries are nurtured. Congratulations,
thank you.
Mr. Ambassador. My very best wishes, and I look forward to working with you.
chinkwana che finance bill yo mwaka uyo igacha chakire ego chinkuma nigo bono umwaziri wekeganja ege serikali omoske John Mbadi anyarire kwerera na Obaigwa gotiana bosio bwe bunge gakwerera buna bono finance bill yo mwaka uyo iga tiranyara gutwara ebango yende enya anene mono ekero anyara goikirana ase eke ikaro kose ase bunge ye senate erikweranira amabolio buna ninki kegenderete ase wizariri yekeganja ege serikali.
Measures to reduce double taxation, unnecessary taxes, and overburdening of farmers and Kenyans in general. I would like the CS to address one question. Honorable Speaker, we have heard the ministry, actually the CS himself, taking credit that this year's finance bill has no new taxes. But I know it's credit to the Gen Z who have struck the fear of God in this government. They will not attempt to bring new taxes. What are you doing about existing taxation, Cabinet Secretary, that you found, including the housing levy, the increase in pay, and VAT on fuel, that has seen the cost of taxes on a liter of petrol exceeding the cost of the product?
It is true that we have not made major changes in taxes that would disadvantage the taxpayer or individual taxpayers in terms of reducing their disposable income. And this was a commitment. Yes, I know Senator Sifuna is attributing it exclusively to Gen Z. Partly true, partly not true. Honorable Senator Sifuna very well knows my stand on taxes. Even before I joined the cabinet or the executive, I am one person who does not believe that higher taxes would lead to more revenue or higher tax rates, and that is my stand. I've spoken about it. Maybe we share that idea with Gen Zs, but so it cannot be exclusively the Gen Z's ideas. And I think the government is also sold into the idea that now, where we have reached, we cannot go further to reduce disposable income. On housing levy, I think there is a discussion around seeing how to restructure it, because again, it has serious benefits, in my view. Quite a number of projects are coming up. But at the same time, the individual employees, those with pay slips, have complaints, which you cannot ignore. So a lot of restructuring is going on, and I am sure that more pronouncements.
Na umwaziri webinto bitwetanaine omoske Dr. Deborah Barasa nigo bono anyari kuboria abakenya bagendere gusimeka emete ase obunge kegima kagukono kuro ase county ya Uasin Gishu nigo bono atebire egati gusokomenta emete elio gukonya gusigutanga amabe ari akoretwa no gonchoreria kwerire negati yekerenga kia serikali iga inse yoburai bwae omoske William Ruto na naboigo nigo aenekire niga serikali ya erigetie kuche gusimeka emete hoika $1 billion na Isano.
The presidential initiative of 15 billion tree planting as well as growing really it's looking into restoring the degraded land, it's looking into water conservation as well as looking into conserving biodiversity. Far beyond that, when you look at the fruit trees, they are able to support in matters of food security and also the commercialization of some trees, timber, non-timber, for medicinal purposes, among others. But for now, this is a wonderful culture where we are teaching the students. They are the next generation. They are the generation that will ensure that we have sustainable tree growing in our country, and we are really optimizing coverage of trees so that we are conserving our environment.
It starts by planting that one seedling. It starts by running a tree nursery that has 50,000 seedlings, so that you can run one that has 1 million, that has 5 million. So we're encouraging young people that environmental conservation is a way for them to earn a source of income. And we've had success stories of schools like Lenana School where they're doing 500,000 tree seedlings, and these are being offtaken by companies like KCB Foundation, by Mabati Rolling Mills. So truly conservation, yes, we're doing environmental conservation, but also it's going to be a source of income for these schools.
Work is we support in terms of infrastructure. So far we have supported 17 tree nurseries. Each nursery has capacity to produce 100,000 seedlings in a year. So out of the 17 tree nurseries that we have been able to, we can be able to produce 1.7 million trees. But our target is to establish 10 tree nurseries every year.
We are at 8%. 8.6% forest cover, and 10% is required. So we are only 1.4 less. The rest of it we are using it for improving or even
Mwanjo muligirira na kurwa ansensemo yechigosori nigo bono abawaziri kurwa Chinsa isato chorogongo rwa Afrika ya mocha bakurawa no muwaziri wechigosori kurwa aiga asense ya Kenya omusike Salem Mvurya na Obaigwa oria opwense ya Tanzania omanyekanete buna Kabudi na Obaigwa omusike Peter Owang kurwa asense ya Buganda nigo bono banya ririkora lya bene buna ekeminano keria kya Afrika kusikia rogongo rwa Afrika bono nigo kirachi gukorekana wekirano ase orogongo roiga rwa Afrika ya mocha omochando onde wensi tayoba ukwana kurwa ase gikaro ime yomochie o Nairobi digo batebire ikimirana ikyo kirachi gukorekana ase omutinyi ugatano na gatatu kimanyekanete buna achana nigo bono banyari kusi kyanyari kwariganirwa na boigo keganyereire ase inchira ere yavene kegema.
We are looking at how we are going to work together during the tournament. One of the areas that we looked at is the issue of visa that will allow the three countries to allow either fans or players, and therefore what we have agreed as ministers in the three countries, we will be working with our other ministries in charge of immigration to ensure that we have a seamless visa entry requirements, but also we are discussing a pamoja visa, which will be very critical for the tournament.
Which we are proud of, and in a special way, want to ask the Secretary General to convey our special greetings to the President of the Confederation of African Football for giving Pamoja the opportunity to host this competition. And of course, you're all aware, we will be hosting AFCON 2027. Like they have all said, mine is again to welcome Africa to Pamoja. When I talk about Pamoja, I mean Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania. Please come and witness. And I'm very sure it will be the best competition in the history of CHAN in Africa. So the rest of the world, welcome to East Africa, welcome to Pamoja.
Lakini pia tumejadili swala zima la miundombinu au wengine wanasema miundo msingi, miundombinu ya itakayotumika kwa ajili ya mashindano hayo ya mpira. Tumejadili pia swala zima la budget na mambo gani ambayo yazingatiwe katika budget hiyo, tukitilia maanani kwamba mashindano haya ya CHAN nchi hizi tatu zimetoa takriban dola milioni 39 kwa ajili ya mashindano haya, na kuna mambo ambayo lazima yasimamiwe ili kuhakikisha kwamba matumizi ya fedha yanakwenda vizuri, lakini pia yanakwenda katika maeneo ambayo ni
Wancho murigereria abono ngukorera Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono omugaso nekero ngukubuli ogendere gutigara ime ya Getembe TV ekiagira ase chitageka chinge chire bosio DJ Reels na Obaigwa it's your girl Nikki ngochibare gosa no moroberio of vibes on vibes nekero ngukubuli ogendere gutigara ase Getembe TV chinga kichonsi nchengoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa tumerane ase Ekeonga Chinsa ikome charero.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurgarwa South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills iluku ya buatuka uchase abaonya aiga ntubwate showroom asura chagwe ligiriria mabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale iyuerengia na Obaigwa ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa nigo kurigiriria amabati aiga ntubwate etime tembo abuwe bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na Obaigwa cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bago tebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na Obaigwa ayuwe babwata chi profile net gauges au na mono babwata no corrugated na Obaigwa box corrugated asime babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigech emengetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibiri na isaro nesato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na buigo na versatile mat MRM nikobwate lifestyle ayuago chena roman jinko na buigo web design obate igani kabwate chikala buna bono lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na buigo na green obutambe bwe mabati iga nikobo kolengana amo nukwenya bwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi buigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakerenya mabati iga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyara kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sivika ayo chani warrant na buigo ayo orakoburu bikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex iyo muchingo musongo iyo rangene duka Safaricom buigo tukotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simgo transaction number chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.